Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm Lala and today we're going to be making a super simple, easy oven jerk chicken, right? So I'm starting off with 4 leg quarters. I'm going to just clean mine up a little bit. I'm going to keep my skin on. You can remove the skin if you want, but you know, it's best with the skin on, okay? Or maybe your chicken will dry out. I normally do it like this. So I'm just gonna clean up the fat a little bit, cut off a little bit of skin, and all of that. So I'm gonna do that for all 4 of these. And by the way, I kind of sped up my video a little bit just so I don't bore none of you, okay? If you're new to my channel, welcome, and if you are my returning subscriber, thank you so much for your continued support. I know I've been in and out a little bit, but I appreciate you sticking around, and I hope that you continue to stick around. And please remember to like, share, and subscribe, and give me a thumbs up and all of that good stuff so other people can see my videos as well, okay? So here I'm just washing my chicken with some vinegar. You can use lime juice, lemon juice, or anything acidic, and I did that a couple of times. And I'm gonna put mine in a colander. I like to do this, and so to drain off the excess water. Maybe like an hour after that is done, I will start to season my chicken. So I'm using store-bought pre-made jerk seasoning. If you do want to see my video on my homemade version, I'll put a link in the description box. So I'm using like 2 heaping tablespoons of jerk seasoning. I'm going to season that really well. I'm going to be putting some of that seasoning under the skin and all of that. Make sure your hands are clean, okay? You gotta make sure your hands are clean. So I'm going to do all of that good stuff, and then I'm going to cover that and let that sit for like a day. This was like Friday, so I was planning to do this for Saturday. So yeah, make sure you get all of them niblets and stuff. Push the thing underneath the chicken, you hear? Underneath the skin and stuff, so when it cook, everything copper set. Alright, so now I'm going to after I covered it and let it sit for a day or two, I'm going to sorry, I lost my train of thought. Anyways, I'm trying to get back into the groove of doing voiceovers, you know. Okay, so anyways, after that I'm just going to season them. Make sure you wash your hands really well, and please do not rub your eyes after this. Trust me, you don't want to do that. Make sure you wash your hands with soap, and do it again after you washed your hands that one time, okay? Because if you rub your eyes, trust me, that pepper is still on your hands. Or use a glove, make it easier for yourself. Anyway, so after that, I'm gonna preheat my oven to 350 degrees Celsius, okay? No, not Celsius, Fahrenheit, sorry. Anyways, so I put mine on a line parchment, but you can also use like one of those racks that you could drip, you know, all of that. I baked mine for like an hour to an hour and 15 minutes, and then I'm gonna do it Jamaican style with my cleaver, and I'm gonna chop that chicken up, and then I'm gonna add some bread to it. The softest and nicest bread I've found here in Canada is the agege bread. So trust me, any nice soft bread. I usually like to make my own bread to go with this, but the time is too cold for that. My stuff won't rise. But anyways, I'm going to add some bread to that, and I'm going to add some ketchup to that as well. Okay, this bread pairs really well with it. I got it at a meat shop, and trust me, it's like light and fluffy and airy and delicious. I use this with my jerk pork and all of that, so trust me when I say it's good bread, okay? Anyways, so I'm gonna add some ketchup to that to finish the dish off, and then that's about it. You can add some pepper to it if this is not spicy enough for you, but good luck to you on that. Anyways, thank you so much for watching this video. Give me a thumbs up, like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.